using the label manager on curve fitting. So the label manager is shown here. This is a label manager where you can add text, and for example, if I add, and it will constantly stays open there, you can add I need to add to do the binding, the BE correction. Okay, and we can put that 0 degrees. We can change the font size, and now we have it here. And once you have it there, you can actually take it and you can drag it around. So that way you can make small notes, you can just add anything you like. Okay, and you can also do very similar things using the ID. So now if you go to survey, for example, I will need to put the ID on here. I will go to ID in here, and I will remove that actually to just show you. So in here I have something shown here. So at 284 on 510 and some OG So this is carbon, oxygen, and carbon, oxygen, OG. So I will just use the carbon, and I can see what I have. I have the oxygen, and I can see. And then I can add those ones by selecting like that, oxygen KLL, CKLL, and I add the label. And you can see the label is added, and it looks blue. It doesn't look great yet. There is a bug in there. But if you were to just change the page and come back, then the label is nicely or better done. You may actually change the size using those A plus A minus. Yeah, it's not working as well, but it's actually changing. So, but you can also take it. So if I show you now, if you just take it, you can move it as you like and readjust as you pleased. Okay, and they're all, if I now close this, so you can only move them if you have this open. So let's say I change that, then I definitely can't move it. It's locked. But if I have the label manager, then I can also move it. Again, I close it, you can't change it. But if I've got the ID manager, then yes, I can change it too. Okay, so this is all available. There is more possibilities with the label manager, as I said, because now they're all shown here. You can actually move them from carbon 1s. Let's say if I move that, then if you want to move it precisely somewhere, the values are shown here. If you want to change the ID or what is exactly written and the font size and so on and so on, this is available here. But I think for most people, just a quick thing like that would do good. And so now, if I was to save this, and right now I can save simply the JSON using this, but I can export into Excel. So that will export the data into this FAMA data or JSON. It takes a bit of time because it's a big survey. That is it. So this one, only this page has been done. And if I open this FAMA data all, you can see how the survey has been done. Let me just find it. That's it. So this is how it's been created. You tend to see the size in preference. The save setting, the size is shown here for a survey 824. You can change the size, you can change the DPI as you wish. And that is what you can do. And sometimes they disappear, but if you go back and forth, it's there.